Why miniskirts? Get shorter when the economy falls. They say when the economy crashes, women's skirts rise. Sounds absurd? Maybe. But look closer, history tells a strange truth. When money disappears, confidence goes on display. Welcome to the mysterious world of the skirt length index. Part 1. The birth of the theory. During the Great Depression of the 1930s, economist George Taylor noticed something curious. As stock prices fell, he said, hemlines went up. Women wore shorter skirts, showing more legs than ever before. It wasn't just fashion, it was psychology. When money was scarce, people still needed to feel good, to feel alive. And what's more powerful than attraction when you can't buy luxury? Part 2. The American story. Fast forward to the 1970s. The U.S. faces oil shocks, inflation, unemployment. And yet disco queens in New York danced in tiny, glittering skirts. Skirts that barely covered the hips, rebellion wrapped in sequins. The message? You can take our jobs, but not our sparkle. In every economic slump, America's fashion doesn't fade. It gets bolder. Mini becomes micro. Despair becomes display. Part 3, Europe's rebellion. Then, Europe. London, 1960s. The city's broke, recovering from war. And yet out walks Mary Quant, the goddess of the miniskirt. She said, short skirts mean freedom. Freedom from rules. Freedom from men. Freedom from fear. And just like that, the mini became a weapon. Not of seduction, but of survival. When people couldn't afford luxury, they showed what they did have: confidence, skin, attitude. Part 4, Japan, the schoolgirl revolution. Now jump to Tokyo, 1990s. The bubble bursts. The miracle economy crashes. Men lose jobs. Banks collapse. And yet teenage girls are rolling up their school skirts shorter than ever. The Kogyaru culture is born: long socks, short skirts, brown hair, cell phones. They say it was rebellion, but it was also survival. When the system fails, youth flaunt. What can't be taken away: their style, their body, their control. Even in 2020's Tokyo, the shorter the skirt, the louder the statement. Part 5, Korea. The skirt war. And then, Korea. When the IMF crisis hit in 1997, people lost everything overnight. But turn on the TV, girl groups, actresses, street fashion skirts were getting shorter, tighter, bolder. It wasn't about seduction. It was about defiance. Koreans have this unique instinct: when the world gets darker, they shine brighter. Fast forward to the 2020s, Seoul is a global fashion capital. Economic anxiety? Sure. But walk through Gangnam or Hongdae at night, and you'll see courage in every step of those heels. Miniskirts here aren't just fashion, they're a middle finger to despair. Part 6. The psychology behind it. So why does this happen, really? When economies collapse, people crave control. And if you can't control money, you control image. Fashion becomes therapy, rebellion, armor. The shorter the skirt, the stronger the signal. I'm still here. I'm still beautiful. I refuse to disappear. So maybe George Taylor wasn't wrong after all. Maybe hemlines do rise when hope falls. Because when the world gets colder, humans don't hide, they reveal.